Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to GearDo. Today we brought to you Xiaomi Note 8 Pro charging port replacement. In order to remove the back cover, we need to apply some heat. Make sure the heat is not too much. There are different ways to apply the heat. You can use a heat gun, you can use a heat mat, and if you don't have these tools, you can even use a hair dryer. But make sure that you don't heat it too much. Mostly the glue adhesive, the double-sided tape, is around the corners and near the camera. So try to apply the heat there. Once it's little bit heated, it will become easy for you to pull off the back cover. You can use a suction cup and a pry tool to pick it up. Now in the bottom, as you can see, remove those screws which is holding the shield of charging port. Carefully unscrew all the screws. Use a spudger tool to disconnect the main flex. There was one screw left. Unscrew that. And pick up the charging port with the spudger tool. As you can see, it comes as one piece. There's no soldering required in this. Simply just install the new piece. We are just using the same one for now, but you have a replacement, just put the replacement in there. Reverse all your steps, connect the cable, put all the screws back in. Put the back cover on and your job is done. Now you can connect the charger and see if your charging port is working. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and leave your comments. See you all soon. Bye.